Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over another altcoin that's currently trending on Dextools, SCHRODINGER. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, if y'all want to find this altcoin, it is listed on Dextools, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko as KITTYDINGER. The concept of this coin is to be a community-driven project that's based around Elon Musk cat. The thing about this project though is they're releasing a bunch of different utility that makes this coin different, and it's kind of the reason why it's trending right now on Dextools. So go down and read more about this coin. You can see the different use cases they're gonna have, right? They're coming out with a kitty pad, which is a launch pad. They have a cat charity, which they're gonna give back to cats. They're also coming out with a multi-chain crypto wallet. They're gonna also have a metaverse where they create different play to earn games. This is coming out in the start of 2022, so it's something to definitely look at. This project right here, they're gonna have a massive online player role playing game, so this is something to look out for next year at the start of the year, right? One thing I like about this token are the tokenomics. 2% redistribution to the holders, 2% to development, 5% to the marketing, 1% goes to the donation, to the cat donation, and 1% to liquidity. So this project does have solid tokenomics. If we keep strolling down, you can see the roadmap. They had phase 1, a meme coin contest, CoinGecko listing, marketing campaigns, $10 million market cap. Then they did the audit, phase 2, CoinMarketCap listing, trending, different press release. That's something about this coin too. It has multiple press releases that I want y'all to check out. Y'all can visit this website and see what I'm talking about. But they're aiming for a $60 million market cap, and they're gonna have the Kit charity launch at the start of 2022. In phase 3, they plan on having a metaverse demo, Kitty Up wallet, Times Square billboard, marketing campaign. Phase 4, the Kitty Up platform in phase 4, the Kitty Pad platform launch, different exchange listings, a NASDAQ billboard, Kitty Up wallet, and the full metaverse video game release. So this project is something to look out for. Like I said, has been seen on multiple different websites, from the Bloomberg to Yahoo to CBS to Fox News, NBC. I think it's mainly because this coin is titled after Elon Musk cat, and that alone is giving this coin a lot of traction and a lot of movement. So I wanted to bring this coin to your attention. I know some of y'all probably already invested in it, but let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.